Wix, how to transfer premium to another site. If you want to transfer your Wix premium from a certain site and assign it to a different site, it's completely possible to do that. First of all, we want to go to our Wix dashboard by going to manage.wix.com. And once we are on our Wix dashboard, first we will click on the profile icon or the drop down menu from the top right. Then we will go to the option that says account settings. Once we go to this option that says account settings, here you'll find a couple of options. On the left hand side, you want to go to the one that says premium subscriptions. Now here you have to simply select a site on which you have a premium plan. And after you do that, you click on the three dots option next to that site and you'll find an option called assign to a different site. So after that, you can choose another site that you would like to assign the premium to. Now, unfortunately, in my case, I do not have premium, but you will definitely find them when you're on this page. You will find the three dots next to a certain site and you can click on it and select assign to a different site option, which you can follow up with the instructions and assign your premium to a different site. So I hope this video pretty much helped you and summed it up for you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.